What's up guys, TrueBlues here, and we're at the Hillsville Sanctuary today. We're going to look at some animals, so also some famous people.
Hi! So we're at this weird circle place, the dreaming place right now, and we've got a meditator.
Whoa.
It's pretty fun.
My silence thing.
Oh god, we need to catch up with them. There they are, down there.
Let's go!
That's the dingo.
We're at the dingoes.
We're at the dingo there. There's one over there through the bush. Wait, I'll get my finger. There. What's that dog then? The white one.
Looks like a Labrador.
So got the way, dog.
Move out of the way. So cute.
Hey! Look at me! Hello!
My side, where I live.
So we got a whole enclosure for a magical stick. And there's nothing else in it except water and rocks. And that is it. Very interesting.
This is my pet. It's very well looked after. His name's Bobby. Hey Bobby.
We froze him.
Yeah. No, what?
Did you even know this? Did you get a picture of that?
No. Hello birdie.
Give me back my brochure. I'm a tree.
I don't think he's interested, John.
I got seeds. Yep.
Did you get closer? Want some more? You want to do it?
Hop on my bowl. You can come on. There's one on his back. Oh yes, he's. No.
Well, they'll fly off when they're done. He's the Eastern dragon. He's the dragon.
Whoa! Look at the Eastern wood dragon. Whoa! That's sick.
It's amazingly awesome.
Order.
Turtles.
Turtle!
It's a snake and a lizard.
They're best friends.
And a lizard.
No, is that
Oh, yes, it's good that it's in there.
Oh.
We're at the taipans.
Yes.
Oh no, it's a brown snake. Yeah, whatever.
Close.
It's a legless lizard.
It's a legless lizard.
I'm not reading the sign.
We found a lizard.
We found two lizards. One over there.
Where's the other one?
Over there.
Oh yeah. Woo.
Superman. It's
Except you need to move your hands,
Superman.
Oh, yeah,
because it looks a bit weird.
That looks very weird.
And we can go through him. Through his head, see?
So ridiculous. It's a duck.